Hello and namaste everyone. I am Shweta Bidwai, a yoga practitioner and a trainer. There were numerous requests coming in to me regarding weight loss and weight management. So I thought what would be the best way rather to curate a beautifully designed program focusing only on weight management. Practicing of yoga supports physical, mental and spiritual development, which allows you to create the best version of yourself. In my perspective, yoga works in different ways when it talks about bringing a healthy weight. Now, there are three key important factors when we talk about losing weight. First being food, second exercise, third sleep. In my experience, there is a fourth factor as well, which I will discuss with all of you shortly. Now, the spiritual aspects of yoga focuses on developing mindfulness to create awareness in everything and anything you do. It makes you more conscious about how different foods affect your body, mind, spirit, so on and so forth. The second factor is sleep, wherein there are research which is proven that yoga and its pranayama meditation in that helps you to achieve a good, rather an improved quality of sleep. So what happens during pranayama? Your parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for your rest and digest mode, works better, thereby giving you an improved sleep, quality of sleep. There are many different styles of yoga today, intense and active ones, like Vinyasa, Power Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga system, which caters to the physical needs of the body. These yoga focuses on moving your body and thereby help you burn the calories. What is even more interesting is there are restorative forms of yoga for people who cannot take on the rigorous forms of yoga due to maybe their weight or other conditions. They can still lose extra kilos, shed weights with these restorative forms of yoga. So if you guys remember, there was a fourth factor which I was talking about, and that is basically your sankalpa, your resolution. This is something like a seed which you sow into the depth of your consciousness. And trust me, once the seed is sowed there into your depth of consciousness, it will never ever fail you. So I would request all of you to join this program and come along with me, explore the journey. Thank you so much. Namaste.